normal CD ratio 0.3 or 0.4, and then the order of the visual field effects. The order of the visual field effects is also important. Let's write the order, and I had made a mnemonic for you in that was the isopter contraction. First was the isopter contraction. Then we have got the bearing of the blind spot. Bearing of the blind spot. First important one was the paracentral. Paracentral will combine and form the Siddle scotoma. Then is the Arcuate scotoma, which is also called as the Jerome scotoma. And next is the double arcuate scotoma. Now, double arcuate scotoma. Now, what was the mnemonic here? In corona. So, in corona, B and P should be doubly tested. It should be doubly tested. In corona, it should be actually doubly tested. Just a second. Yeah. So, this should be doubly tested. So, doubly है इसलिए 2 times हो जाएगा ये. Yes. So, in corona, isopter contraction, B for bearing of blind spot, P for paracentral scotoma, S for the Siddle scotoma, D for Jerome scotoma, then W is the double arcuate and tested. So, T for tunnel vision and T for temporal field is last to be affected. Another important question of NEET 2018, which field is last to get affected? The field which is last to get affected is the temporal field. Matlab, first the patient will become blind in the superior and inferior field, then he will become blind in the nasal field, and last to get affected will be the temporal field. So last तक जहां दिखता रहेगा वो है temporal field. Okay. All right. So this is the one we are having. Now we come to the treatment. अब treatment कैसे करेंगे? We have got 3 things. We are having medical treatment, we are having the laser treatment and surgery. So सबसे पहले we are going to give the medicines. Medicines में prostaglandin analogs are there and beta blockers. They are actually making the what you called as the junk of the treatment. अब क्या है that prostaglandin analogs have lot of side effects. They have become the drug of choice, but beta blockers are actually most commonly used because they are simple, having lesser side effects. If this is not working, then I go to the laser. This is actually the laser trabeculoplasty. Laser trabeculoplasty. Laser से हम क्या कर सकते हैं? We can burn the trabecular mesh. वो देखा है जब चाय की छन्नी बहुत पुरानी हो जाती है, we have to burn it so that it starts straining the tea again. तो वही हम कर रहे हैं. We are making it warm and we are opening the trabecular spaces. This is the treatment of choice for the fellow eye. Treatment of choice for the fellow eye. And finally क्या करेंगे? Finally is the surgery. So when nothing is there, then you can do the surgery where we are creating a fistula. Fistula we are creating between anterior chamber and the subconjunctival space. This is the last thing. If it is not opening, then I have to create an artificial opening between the anterior chamber and the subconjunctival space so that the fluid can directly go out into the subconjunctival space. What is ABR? ABR I have not written. ठीक है ना? All right. Now coming to the absolute important. ये देखो. Just remember this picture of Amitabh Bachchan, fiery red eye. So this is actually Lady Amitabh Bachchan, I will say. Whenever you have a question on the eye of a Lady Amitabh Bachchan similar to the acute red eye, so we are having a female more than 50 years of age along with the acute red eye, along with the raised intraocular pressure. Okay, and along with the colored halos. Now, another important thing is the colored halos. Now, whenever we have colored halos in the question, either it is cataract or it is acute congestive glaucoma or prostaglandins analogs के बाद क्या था? It was the beta blockers. And then third is the acute mucopurulent conjunctivitis. So always remember, it can be either of the three. It can be cataract, it can be acute congestive glaucoma, or it is acute mucopurulent conjunctivitis. So your life is simple. Lady Amitabh Bachchan, fiery red appearance, acute red eye, a female more than 50 years of age, can come with the nausea and vomiting with the colored halos. That means it is a case of the acute congestive glaucoma. You can see a mid-dilated pupil. Now, I told you that there are two things. Either it's a case of acute congestive glaucoma or it is a case of acute anterior uveitis. Okay, acute congestive glaucoma or acute anterior uveitis. Uveitis will never have dilated pupil. Now, how much blurry you may have the picture, but if you are having a dilated pupil, go towards glaucoma. If you are having a miotic pupil, go towards uveitis. Moreover, uveitis mein you will have keratic precipitates, aqueous cells, flare also. So, no confusion between acute congestive glaucoma and the acute anterior uveitis. You can see this kind of a congestion. You can see the circumcorneal congestion. You can see the hazy cornea because of the sudden closure of the angle of anterior chamber. There is also circumcorneal congestion in the acute anterior uveitis. Exactly. You can have the circumcorneal congestion in the acute anterior uveitis as well as in acute congestive glaucoma. But how can you differentiate? Because in uveitis, you are going to have a miotic pupil. But in cases of glaucoma, you will always have a mid-dilated pupil. So a typical clinical scenario, you will have acute red eye, you will have a female more than 50 years of age, raised intraocular pressure along with the colored halos, along with a dilated pupil. Then you are sure that this is a case of acute congestive glaucoma. This is not scleritis. Scleritis will not be associated with the hazy cornea. It will not have raised intraocular pressure. It will not have colored halos. So that is why I am also telling you that whenever you have such kind of things, first see the image, then see the options, and then read the question. Scleritis is very, very painful, usually associated with the connective tissue disorders like the rheumatoid arthritis also. Very, very important. So if a patient is having the acute congestive glaucoma, the main problem is the pupillary block. So basically we are having the pupil blocked, and therefore now the aqueous humor is collecting behind the iris. So iris was like this and it is getting now pushed by the aqueous humor. So aqueous humor is pushing the iris. When it is pushing, we are having this ballooning of the iris. So please write it in the comment section. What do you say? What do you say when there is pushing of iris? This is iris Bombay formation. So if pupil is already blocked, kya kare? So we can create one more pupil. How can I create one more pupil? Give the opening in the iris. So therefore we can do laser iridotomy or we can do the surgical PI. I can create this opening by the laser iridotomy. I can create the opening by the surgery, wedge shaped resection. So while the laser trabeculoplasty was done in cases of open angle glaucoma, in cases of angle closure glaucoma, we do the laser iridotomy or the surgical PI. Very, very important. Apart from this, how can you reduce the intraocular pressure?